Hey there, and welcome to our exciting journey into the world of plants. Have you ever stopped to wonder how plants, those silent green wonders that surround us, actually manage to create their own food? It's a fascinating process that sustains not only them, but also much of life on Earth. Well, today I'm going to explain the magic behind photosynthesis, the incredible process that allows plants to harness the power of the sun. We'll break it down in a way that's super easy to understand, even if you've never studied biology before. We'll uncover the secrets of how plants transform simple ingredients into the energy they need to thrive. So let's get started on this green adventure. First, let me tell you, plants are like tiny chefs, constantly working in their own unique kitchens. But instead of using fire and pans like we do in our kitchens, they use sunlight, the ultimate renewable energy source, water, the lifeblood of all living things, and air, specifically a gas called carbon dioxide. Imagine a plant standing tall and proud in your garden, soaking up the sunshine. What does it need to survive and thrive in its environment? Sunshine, of course, providing the essential energy, water, to keep it hydrated and transport nutrients, and something special from the air called carbon dioxide, a key ingredient in its food-making process. Now, plants have these amazing green pods called leaves, which are like their personal solar panels. Inside the leaves, there's a green pigment called chlorophyll, and this is where the real magic begins. Chlorophyll is a superstar. It's the reason plants are green, and it plays a vital role in capturing sunlight. It helps the plant absorb sunlight, acting like a tiny antenna that grabs the sun's rays, just like how you absorb warmth and energy when you're basking in the sunlight on a beautiful sunny day. Here's how the magic happens, step by step. The roots of the plant, hidden beneath the soil, diligently soak up water from the earth. At the same time, tiny holes in the leaves, so small you can barely see them, called stomata, act like miniature doorways, take in carbon dioxide from the air, drawing it inside the leaf. All these essential ingredients, water and carbon dioxide, travel up to the leaves, ready for the next stage. Using the energy captured from sunlight by the chlorophyll, the plant expertly mixes water and carbon dioxide together inside the leaf, like a chef following a recipe. This entire amazing process is called photosynthesis, and it's the engine that powers the plant world. Now, what are the results of this incredible process? What comes out of this plant-powered factory? The plant makes glucose, which is a kind of sugar, a sweet and energy-rich substance. This glucose is the plant's food. It's what fuels its growth and activities. It gives energy for the plant to grow taller, stronger, and healthier, make beautiful flowers, delicious fruits, and even sprout new leaves, continuing the cycle of life. And guess what else? There's an extra perk. There's a bonus for us, for all living creatures on this planet. When plants perform photosynthesis, they release oxygen into the air as a byproduct. Yes, the very same oxygen that you and I breathe every single day to stay alive. So photosynthesis is not just about plants making their own food, it's so much more than that. It also plays a crucial role in keeping our air fresh, clean, and full of the life-giving oxygen that we desperately need. Without plants and the process of photosynthesis, life as we know it on Earth would simply be impossible. That's why forests, with their vast numbers of trees and plants, are often called the lungs of our planet. Let's do a quick recap to make sure we've got all the key points covered. Plants use sunlight as their primary energy source, water, absorbed through their roots, and carbon dioxide from the air, to make their own food in their leaves through the magic of chlorophyll. This entire life-sustaining process is called photosynthesis. The food they create helps them grow big and strong, allowing them to flourish, and the oxygen they release as a byproduct is essential for keeping us alive and healthy. So next time you see a plant, whether it's a towering tree or a tiny flower, give it a silent thank you in your heart. It's working hard every day, quietly and efficiently, to keep our planet green, healthy, and breathing. Thanks so much for watching and learning about the wonders of photosynthesis. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to share it with your friends and family so they can learn too. And most importantly, keep exploring the amazing wonders of science that surround us every day. Bye for now, and happy learning.